So it's another part of our vacation, and I just realized and remember that when you are experiencing joy and happiness, that it comes from environmental around you. These the great masters of the Buddhism taught us that there's two different way to making offerings, two different way to making accumulating merit, wisdom, reducing our obscurations. So while you're experiencing all this wonderful environment like mountains and rivers and ocean, actually you can dedicate this to all the beings, and as well as you can imagine or you can visualize that you are making imagination offerings. So that is actually one of the best way to making offerings. So the reason why I'm saying here is because and I wanted to remind all my Dharma brothers and sisters and friends and families that whenever you get these kind of chances while you're having vacation, while you're enjoying, you can dedicate this to all sentient beings, and also you can visualize as imagination offering. So one way or another, we all of us are doing these kind of activities in our life. So whenever you get this kind of circumstance, I would like you to dedicate this as an offering to the enlightened beings, as imagination offering, as well as dedicate to all sentient beings. I think this is one of the best way to increase our merit and wisdom, as well as removing our obscurations. Thank you.